Hello, my name is Sarah Gamble. I'm a junior at the University of Dallas, and I'm going to be talking about genetics. So this past spring, I spent a semester studying abroad in Rome, and that got me curious about my European ancestry. So when I got home, I started researching, and I learned that I have one Norwegian ancestor who's a recent immigrant. I have tons of German ancestry, quite a bit of Irish ancestors here and there, one Native American ancestor on my mom's side, and one French Huguenot ancestor from about 10 generations down my bloodline. And then I started to think, in comparison to all the others, like, how do they all make me? How much of their presence in my bloodline affects who I am and my gene expression, my characteristics attributed to each one? So I thought more specifically in comparison to the one Norwegian ancestor that I have, who's a more recent immigrant, compared to the French ancestor that I have, who's a much farther down the line, more distant ancestor, to say the least. And around that time, I ran across an article talking about identical twins and triplets, taking that 23andMe or Ancestry.com test, the spit test, where they spit into the cup, send it to the lab, they get their results back. And it was talking about how the results between one set of identical twins was different. One twin would be 53% German and the other one would be 78% German. And I was like, that's such a drastic difference. So we've been thinking about this all wrong. It's not, oh, you get 50% from your dad and 50% from your mom. When you think about it more in depth, it all comes back down to the chromosomal crossover, where when your mom's DNA meets your father's DNA, you could get certain characteristics from your mom and certain characteristics from your dad that are attributed to different backgrounds, such as German backgrounds. So that's something that I'm really interested in learning more about and potentially studying, and I've been blessed with the opportunity to study in Rome this next summer for that, for genetics or any other biological opportunity, but I'd really love help to get there. So thank you very much for your time, and hopefully you're interested in what I am too.